Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we'll discuss how to fix Google Gemini not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that not all the Chromebooks support Google Gemini. If you're using the latest Chromebook Plus, then Google Gemini is built in with your system. If you're facing any issue with it, then you can simply fix it by updating your Chromebook. To update your Chromebook, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings. Now click on About Chrome OS and here click on Check for Updates and update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS version. After that, simply restart your system. For that, simply click on Clock, White and Battery icon, click on Power button, then click on Restart. This will fix the issue. However, if you have installed PWA version of Google Gemini on your Chromebook, then you can simply follow this method. For that, simply open Google Gemini, then click on three-dot icon, then click on App Info. Here click on Cookies and Site Data. Click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete all the on-device site data by clicking on this Delete button. After that, click on Done and restart the application. After that, sign in with your Google account to use Google Gemini on your Chromebook. If you're still facing the issue, then you can simply reinstall the PWA version of Google Gemini. For that, click on App Launcher icon, locate Google Gemini, right click on it, then click on Uninstall. Here click on Also Delete Browsing Data option, then click on Uninstall. This will remove the old version of Google Gemini application. Now to install the latest version, simply open Google Chrome browser, visit gemini.google.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Here click on three-dot icon, then click on Save and Share. Here click on Create, then name the shortcut as Gemini, then click on Open as Window, then click on Create button. This will install the PWA version of Google Gemini on your Chromebook. Now for quick access, you can also pin this icon to the Chromebook cells. For that, right click on it, then click on Pin. Now you can use this icon to open Google Gemini on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can fix Google Gemini not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.